Hi guys, in this video I'd like to show you how to use the console game library I've written recently. So just to give you an example of how you could have used this in while writing your own games. So let's include game.h header file, and for those who is not familiar with this, I'll put the source in the video. In the description below the video, I'd like to put some link to this source file where this library is actually implemented. And let's have a little main function here, return 0. So what we have to define here is a couple of variables called map width, say it would be 10, and the map define map height, also 10. And now the map itself. So when you are writing a game, it's useful yeah, to have a map where your character is gonna walk around, basically. So now we have to make the array of exactly 100 characters, basically map width multiplied by map height. And to represent the walls, we are going to use some hash symbols. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hash symbols here, and just copy and paste, and just some free space over here. And also we have 10 columns, and now we have to achieve 10 rows. So 3, 4, 5. Okay, 10 rows. Is it 10? 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And now we want actually to print this map to the screen. But before that, we have to call the initScreen function that would prepare actually the standard output for us, either on Windows or on Linux. And at the end of the execution, we want to restore the settings. Well, please know that on Windows it doesn't really restore the console correctly to the state it was in before the execution of the program, so that's a kind of little issue, but still the main desired functionality works perfectly well for now. So just forget about this probably. Okay, now we want to print map, and print map is one of the last functions I've added to the game.h library. Because I faced such an issue that every time you start writing a game, you actually need to be able to print the map, and it's instead of making this function void print map somewhere over here, it's probably better just to make it as a part of the standard library. So it takes several arguments as its input. And here are they. So we have to define the coordinates x and y, and then the map width constant, map height constant, and the pointer to the map array itself. So let's actually try to print the map at column number 10, row number 10, then the map width, then the map height. Okay. And finally the pointer to the map itself. So let's try to compile and run the program and see what happens. Okay, we have our map printed at the given coordinates. And now to make it a little bit prettier, I'd like to print the map at the very center of the screen. So let's define another couple of variables. So center x would be map width divided by 2. Well, let's leave this for now. And int center y is gonna be map height height also divided by 2. It's not gonna be exactly at the center, but just to give you an idea of the process behind this. So center x and center y. And let's compile and run again, and it gives some kind of wrong output. What's wrong here? Center X, map width, center height, center Y, map height. Okay, well, okay, let's have the... Oh, yeah, now the map width. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, not the map width, for sure. Yeah, just the screen width. Of course, the screen width. I'm sorry for this inconvenience. Yeah, it's just recording this video for probably the fifth time already. A bit tired. Okay, the screen height. Okay, so it's not really on the center. Well, this particular upper left corner is actually on the geometrical center of the screen, but what we need is actually to the center of the map to be at the center of the screen. In order to achieve this, we have to make another little subtraction here. So minus map width divided by 2, and also here minus map height divided by 2. And now we compile and run, we have exactly centralized map. Okay guys, so this is it for this video, and on the next one I'm going to show you how to move the character around this particular map, and our character is going to be represented by, say, this @ symbol. Okay, see you next video, bye.